Having your garage door opener light turn off too fast or not work at all can be super annoying when you're trying to get stuff done. So, here's the deal. Most garage door openers have a light delay timer that controls how long the light stays on after you use it. First off, check your opener's manual or look up the model online to find out how to adjust the timer. It's usually a dial or button on the motor unit. If the light cuts off way too quickly, try turning the timer dial a bit to the right to give yourself more light time. Sometimes, the light bulb itself could be the issue, so swap it out with a new one if it flickers or doesn't turn on at all. Also, make sure the opener's contacts or wiring aren't loose or dirty because that can mess with the light's function. If your opener uses LED bulbs, they might behave differently than regular bulbs, so double-check compatibility. Another trick is unplugging the opener for a few minutes and plugging it back in. It can reset the system and fix minor glitches. And if nothing works, don't hesitate to call a pro, especially if you're not comfy fiddling with electrical stuff. One of the biggest problems people run into with garage door opener light delays is not knowing where to find the timer settings, so they end up guessing and getting frustrated. Solution: check your owner's manual or search for your model's specifics online. Another common issue is using the wrong type of bulb, which can cause the light to flicker or not stay on. Fix this by switching to a bulb recommended by the manufacturer. Lastly, ignoring wiring problems is a mistake. Loose or corroded wires can totally kill the light function. Just tighten connections or clean contacts to get things working again. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't screw up your garage door or anything else. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up with customers who need your skills, making it way easier to grow your business.